Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by DSM Nutrition. Vitamin D is often overlooked in cattle, but it can help cattle in receiving programs by supporting the immune health of cattle when they need it most. Improve your herd's vitamin D status with High D from DSM. Visit dsm.com/ANH to learn more. The newest U.S. trade data showed meat exports were down a total of 202 million pounds in March compared to 2021. Most of this decline came from pork, which was down 25% in March compared to a year ago. Poultry was also down 25 million pounds, or 16% from March. Beef exports did see moderate gains of about 1% in March and 6% year-to-date. On the import side, beef and pork have remained extremely elevated, with beef up 41% and pork up 45% year-to-date. These large import volumes are mostly driven by strong domestic demand and high trim prices, which pulls products in. Turning towards this week's markets, there was active fed cattle cash trade in the north at 144 to 148 live and mostly 232 dressed. Moderate volumes were traded in the south at mainly 140. This is steady with last week. Large amounts of precipitation were seen across many parts of the country over the last week. This provided drought relief for many areas, which should help slow down cow slaughter, at least in the short term. The rain also provided a boost to the feeder cattle futures and calf markets, as pasture conditions look to improve. Still, the CME feeder cattle index has remained range-bound, ending the week at 155.59 a hundredweight. Seasonally, feeder cattle prices should begin to strengthen, but corn prices and precipitation will continue to be major factors going forward. With slaughter numbers remaining strong, the boxed beef cutout moved lower this week. With the approach of warmer weather and summer holidays, a seasonal rally is expected for beef within the next few weeks. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.